Namaskar, and a very happy 75th Independence Day to all the parents, teachers, children, and anybody watching this video. Let us begin with my favorite prayer on this very special day. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free and the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way in the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Let my country awake. Let my country awake. This year, maybe because it's a special Independence Day, I wanted to deconstruct the word Independence Day. And I took on the alphabet I. So for me, I is India. India is an idea. India is a culture. India is a dream. India is a reality. And all of us have that very, very special feeling for our motherland, India. It has different meanings for different people. But in the end, the idea of India is what keeps us together, keeps us united.
N stands for non-violence. Non-violence, according to me, is a practice and a principle. If you follow the principles of non-violence and do not get influenced by anger, irritation, we will have a happy environment at the global, international, and national levels.
75 glorious years. We as a nation have evolved and are a force to reckon with now. On this 75th year of independence, let's all of us visit and revisit our civic duties, first and foremost towards each other, especially towards the less privileged. Duty towards elderly, which of course includes a dear 75 years old independence. Duty to coexist in harmony with the environment. Let the letter D give us all direction to be in a happier, stronger, and resilient India in the coming years. Jai Hind.
E in independence is empathy. For me, empathy is seeing with the eyes of another. Empathy is listening with the ears of another. Empathy is feeling with the heart of another. India as a nation has grown in all spheres over the last 7 decades with compassion and empathy embedded in the soul of our great nation. Let's all imbibe this value in our daily actions. Happy Independence Day to all.
I take on the letter P. India is my pride. India is my dream. With rich culture and heritage that gleams. Peace for patience and perseverance. A freedom achieved with a lot of resilience. From self-sufficiency in the Mars mission to providing care to the world with COVID vaccination. My motherland, I salute you as I'm a proud Indian.
The letter E of independence, enthusiasm. It is the highest level of energy, the intense zeal, the inspiration, the focus, the fervor, the excitement that is found in the people of India. It is a powerful motivator. And as a nation, we all are well aware of all the struggles and the aims we desire to achieve. We have proven it too, and will always do so.
Mother Nature has bestowed our beloved country with bountiful beauty. This Independence Day, let us reaffirm our commitment to preserve and nurture this gift.
Happy Independence Day. I take the alphabet D. It stands for dedication. In spite of whatever circumstances we face, if we work with nothing short of absolute dedication, we can surely make impossible possible.
E is for education. Education to me is what every Indian from Swami Vivekanand to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has encouraged. It is the bridge to awareness, the path to empowerment. Education is a passport to happy living. It is a way of life. Education truly makes us independent. It is what makes us Indian.
For me, letter N stands for nourish. Nourish to me means to focus on all four aspects of our lives: body, mind, heart, and spirit. Only when we nourish, we can truly flourish. Let's nourish our body with healthy food and exercise. Nourish our mind with knowledge and positive thoughts. Nourish our heart with love. And nourish our spirit with care and compassion.
C is for collaboration. Collaboration is when we work with each other, united as one, synergizing our ideas, thoughts and actions for the greater good of the country.
The alphabet A. No nation can be free unless it's economically strong. So let us pledge to buy all goods which are local, which are made in India. Whatever be it. Anyway, I think Indian fabric, Indian food, Indian cosmetics are among the best in the world. So let us, all of us, try and build up our own economy by buying things which are made in India by Indian weavers and craftsmen. Only then will we be truly, truly free.
करेंसी पे बापू की फोटो, लाल किले पे तिरंगा, सड़क पे भारत माता की जय और स्कूल में विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा। क्या इतनी आजादी काफी है? क्या सिर्फ इतनी सी आजादी के लिए वो जनेऊधारी कंपनी बाग में अकेला ब्रिटिश फौज से लड़ गया था और वो 23 साल का सरदार रंग दे बसंती गा के फांसी चढ़ गया था? क्या सिर्फ 1.5 गज कपड़े के लिए नेताजी ने हिटलर को आंख दिखाई थी और बापू ने क्या सिर्फ नोट पे छपने के लिए सीने पे गोली खाई थी? बहुत आंसू बहा लिए वीर गाथाओं पर, बहुत मेले लगा लिए शहीदों की चिताओं पर। अब जरा आगे बढ़ना होगा, वी द पीपल वाला पन्ना दोबारा पढ़ना होगा और समझना होगा कि जहां आजादी का मतलब सिर्फ फ्रीडम लिखा है, वो सारे शब्दकोश व्यर्थ हैं। इस देश में आजादी के 1 या 2 नहीं, 135 करोड़ अर्थ हैं। आजादी वो है जब ना सपनों के दरख्त फलने से डरें और ना टूटी हुई चप्पलें डिजाइनर जूतों के साथ चलने से। आजादी वो है जब झुके हुए सरों का मुकद्दर बदल जाए और खोलियों के दिल से हवेलियों का डर निकल जाए। आजादी वो है जब हौसले की चिड़िया बाधाओं का पिंजरा तोड़ दे और का खा गा ABC से डरना छोड़ दे। आजादी वो है जब अमन के गीत गाते हुए गले से लहू ना आए और अमरूदों के मौसम में बारूदों की बू ना आए। कब तक इतिहास पर जमी धूल माथे पर लगाते रहेंगे? अमर जवान ज्योति को जलाए रखना है तो उसकी जड़ों में नया ईंधन भरना होगा। 47 का सब्सक्रिप्शन 20 में रिन्यू करना होगा। बेखौफ जीना हमारा हक है और ये हक बुनियादी है। घबराओ मत, बढ़ते रहो, बस अगले मोड़ पर थोड़ा सा आगे आजादी है।
नमस्ते, ग्रीटिंग्स टू वन एंड ऑल। मैं तिरंगा हूँ, भारत की शान हूँ, भारत की जान हूँ। भारत की शान हूँ मैं, मुझे अपने सीने के करीब रखना। भारत की जान हूँ मैं, मुझे अपने सीने के करीब रखना। भारत की विजय का पताका हूँ मैं, वीरों की सांसों का साहस हूँ मैं, मुझे अपने सीने के करीब रखना। मेरा हरा रंग संपन्नता का प्रतीक है, उर्वरता को दर्शाता है और जो मेरे केसरी रंग में झांकता है वह ताकत के कई अंश पाता है।
जग तो ये जानकर अचंभे में रह जाता है कि मेरा सफेद रंग अमन दर्शाता है। तो आओ ले चलूं मैं तुम्हें अपने गर्वीले देश के इतिहास में और दिखलाऊं भारत की वर्तमान उन्नति तुम्हें।
Decades have gone past since we have been free. The world has metamorphosed to create yesterday's dreams, today's reality. Time has elapsed since we have realized the actual difference that has been brought due to a freedom fighter's sacrifice. Decades have gone past since we have been free. But how often have we paused to think what difference you and me are making in our country?
Our heroes may have gone to bring the end of prosperity for all of us today. But are we truly making a change to build a tomorrow better than yesterday? Yes, you and me and all the other 1.3 billion people are giving meaning to the idea of freedom. Doctors, nurses and teachers all show that there was a reason for why the freedom fighters of our country put their lives at stake. So, the future generations could truly make a better destiny for themselves in the years to come. To show that wounds and scars will heal and India will emerge as united and one.
यहाँ वहाँ सारा जहाँ देख लिया है, कहीं कभी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। ऐसी नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, कहीं कभी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं है। गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम। जो तुम हो तो ये लगता है कि मिल गई है हर खुशी, जो तुम ना हो ये लगता है कि हर खुशी में है कमी। तुमको है मांगती ये जिंदगी।
Independence to me symbolizes hope and a plethora of new opportunities that I can now explore. I believe that with independence comes its fair share of responsibility that we as a nation must strive to uphold. Independence has also instilled in me a sense of freedom and courage and has made me a better, responsible and more sensitive citizen.
Independence to me is freedom, responsibility and sacrifice. It's the freedom to express myself, it's the responsibility of my own actions and honoring all those who have sacrificed their lives for us to see this day today.
To me, independence means being able to perform my tasks uninfluenced by others and the freedom to take my own decisions. As a creative individual, it means being able to express my own ideas and taking just the right amount of time to implement them. However, independence also poses a responsibility on my part for my actions and their impact on others.
बात ये हवाओं को बताए रखना, जहां रोशन होगा दिया जलाए रखना। की है हिफाजत लहू देकर हमने, की है हिफाजत लहू देकर हमने, मन में सदा उस तिरंगे को बसाए रखना।
से यूं मुंह तोड़ तू जवाब दे, परवाह न कर हिसाब ले, ऐसा निभा फर्ज तेरा के देखता जहां रहे के पता चले दुनिया को भी क्या बात है ये देश में। जो भी जुर्रत कर जाए टकराने की वो ही पाएगा मौत की कब्र में खुद का। जोश बेशुमार है बदले की जो आग है, गलती नहीं हमारी पहले किया तुमने वार है। भुगतोगे तुम इसके लिए छोड़ेंगे ना किसके लिए, घर में घुस के मारेगा ये नया हिंदुस्तान है।